Hello everyone, my name is Arian and today we are going to talking about Unit 3 Part 2 and this lesson talking about lesson 3.4 Arithmetic and Geometric Series. The last video you can go and watch talking about Arithmetic and Geometric in sequence, and this lesson talking about Arithmetic and Geometric Series. Let's go. And this lesson have an introduction, vocabulary, the new word. Topic is arithmetic series. Topic 2 arithmetic. Geometric series, activity homework, and this lesson have a test yourself again. And let's do it. Read together this one and told you what is the arithmetic geometric series. This lesson we will learn about arithmetic and geometric series. In this previous lesson we learned how to identify arithmetic and geometric sequence and determine the unknown terms in the sequence. In this lesson we will learn how to find some of the elements of the arithmetic and geometric sequence. The now what's it? The now graded series can play the important roles in the mathematical consequence. So this lesson is the fundamental for all future subjects related to sequence and series. And this here is talking about the arithmetic and between arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. Let's the next one. At the end of this lesson have some homework and some test for you and help you understand better. Identify arithmetic and geometric series. Find the missing, the compound, and the sum of the elements of the arithmetic and geometric. And next, please. When you are finished this lesson, you understand all of them: arithmetic and geometric series and arithmetic geometric sequence. You can watch the last video and talking about sequence and finish it. You understand better. And here new words. Series, a number of the thing, events, or problem of the similar king or related nature, coming one after another. Okay, talking series. Topic 1 arithmetic series, and defining and finding the noun terms. And here talking about arithmetic, and we can read, have a time, okay, no problem. In general, a series is in the sum of the terms of the sequence. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and 100, or 1 plus 3 plus 1000 is an example of the arithmetic series. A lot of methods are suggested by mathematicians to find the sum of the mathematicians arithmetic series. In today's world, so many collectors can different the sum of the series right away. Okay, here is talking about arithmetic. What's the arithmetic series? It's have a sum of term and how you can find it. Have a some example for it, and you can see it. And this lesson not the same arithmetic sequence. The formula is changed. For example, arithmetic and geometric sequence have one formula, the a1 plus n minus 1 multiply d. But here arithmetic series the change. Arithmetic series the formula is a1 plus d n minus 1. This one for series, arithmetic series, this formula. And here again have a talking about some of the terms and sequence and some of the number terms. First term, what is the first term, last term? I told you the last video, the first term A1, and this last term is the end of the number. And the next example question, here have a one question, find the sum of the terms in the following arithmetic series. First of all, writing the formula and put the number. For example, what is the first term is 1 and what is the last term is 100. Put the formula and we can find the answer. Here have is one video for the arithmetic series. You can see the formula S equals n divided by 2 and 1 a1 plus a n, and we should find the a n. And let's next one, but I told you watch this video. Example, to find the sum of the terms in the following arithmetic series. And you have some example again here, the same and the same, the last example, and so similar, and you can find all of the answer if you have a learn formula. A formula so simple and not so hard. And again have some video here and you can watch it and following the video and learn better then. And again question 3, and have a question for the series 6 plus 9 12, and you should find the 10 terms and s15. You should find it, and it's so similar. And then same the example 2. And here have a geometric series defined and finding the noun terms. Again here have a geometric and geometric series and geometric sequence. Both of them not the same formula, the change formula here. We don't have the same formula here. For example, formula for geometric is s of n equals a1 1 minus r power of n divided by 1 minus r. This one is formula, and we can see in the next slide. Here geometric series defined and find the noun terms. I previous lesson we have learned that the geometric sequence can be expressed in the following form: a AR power 2 AR 3. Where is the first term of the geometric sequence and the R is the common ratio. Here the formula, for example, I have a formula I told you the 5 minutes ago. R is a common ratio here. Common ratio of the geometric sequence. For example, 1, 2, 4, 8 is an example of a geometric sequence. Geometric series is the sum of the terms in the geometric sequence. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 100 is an example of the geometric series. And this one talking about geometric series, and what is the R and what is the A. A is the first term and R is common ratio. Some of the geometric sequence, and here again talking and some example. Next example 4, again the same before example 3, and here determine the sum of the terms of the geometric sequence in the following the series. Here say look like geometric sequence, but you should following the series. How can you find this series? Next, and here have some video you can watch and you understand better. Have some video so good, I watched 3 or 4 times. You should watch it, and because you understand better all of them um, lesson. And here example for series 3 plus 12 plus 48, and find the TA and S8. And again have some video here, you can watch it. And next, and have two videos so important. Next, and homework, have a one homework check here. You can find your homework and writing and understand all of the lesson and help you better. And you have a one challenge here yourself. It's this one, for example, the challenge, you should find the how many terms of the arithmetic sequence and some of the 1961. And it's challenge and one goal for you and understand. And reflect is in this lesson you learn in the 215 words example what you have learned this lesson, how many words you learn. And end of the lesson. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please save, share and like. And if you have any question, you can send my Gmail. And thank you, see you next time, take care, bye.